Hello scrapers, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to scrape Trustpilot reviews using Outscraper official N8N node, so let's dive right in. First, head over to your N8N instance and create a new workflow. Next, let's add a trigger. For this example, we'll try to use a chat trigger, but you can use any trigger that suits your workflow. Next, let's add an Outscraper node. Then click on Get Reviews from Trustpilot. Next, let's add the chat input to our query for it to get the query from our chat trigger. Now let's test. Let's test the workflow if it's working and if it's connected properly to our chat trigger. As you can see, it only returns one item, so we need to use a split out node to split the results individually. So let's drag data here to split it out, and it should be 50 items. Now let's append this to our Google Sheets. Append row in Google Sheets. Then let's choose the document type. The document name is Outscraper N8N node tutorial. Then click Trustpilot. I prepared it before. Map it individually. So first, review ID, then author's name, author's title, then review rating, and review text. Once everything is set up, let's check if it's working. So let's execute the step and let's check if it will append. It was appended. And that's it. You have now a reviewer names, rating, dates, and full review text. Perfect for sentiment analysis. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!